children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami, hello teacher, hello friends. Today we will learn these two sight words, there and there.
They sound same.
Yes, they sound same, but their spellings and meanings are entirely different. There, T-H-E-R-E, there. There, T-H-E-I-R, there. Though it is confusing, but it is very easy to remember because of letter I. Have you noticed letter I looks like a person? So there, with letter I, when we are talking about more than one person, there relates to them. So when we are talking about people, we are saying their. For example, it is their house. Must be a very big house. They named their daughter Kate. There refers to the parents. They have to repair their car. Here, there refers to the people in this picture who needs to repair their car. It is their school. Here, there refers to the students of this school. Their dog is very funny. Here, we are talking about those kids in the picture. Now let us talk about there. T-H-E-R-E, there. There, when we talk about a place or any particular location, it can be a house, school, hospital, hills, forest, beachside, or anywhere in the city. It can also be a sofa, chair, table, or any specific place or location. We use there. For example, there is a beautiful house down the lane. Here, there is referring to a place. There is a green park in the center of the city. We go there often. There were 2 cakes on the table. There is a boy at the door. Here we are talking about the place where the boy is standing. Practice time. Fill in the blanks. Those are dash bags. Whose bags? There or there? The bags belong to those children. So we are talking about people. So the answer is
There. T-H-E-I-R.
Good. Is dash any post office nearby? So the person is inquiring about the post office. Post office is a place. So the answer is
There. T-H-E-R-E.
Well done. Dash, breakfast is ready. Mother has made the breakfast ready for her family. So here we are talking about people. So the answer should be
T-H-E-I-R. There.
Well done. Dash house is over dash. So for the first blank, the question is, whose house is it? The answer is the house belonged to those people. So the answer is
There. T-H-E-I-R.
good. For the second blank, the question is, where is their house? We are talking about the place. So the answer should be
There. T-H-E-R-E.
well done. The white cat is sitting dash on that sofa. Here we are talking about the place where the white cat is sitting.
The answer is there. T-H-E-R-E.
Good job.
Thank you, friends, for learning with Monami. Please like, subscribe, and share the channel.
See you in our next episode. Till then, bye.